You guys, we're gonna be doing making a cube video, okay? So, as you see, this cube is this cube is solved, because at the end of the video, you will know how to solve a Rubik's cube, okay? So basically, what you're gonna do is scramble this, cue the fast motion. Okay, then what you're gonna do is you're gonna wanna solve the whatever side you want. I frankly don't care what side you want to solve, but you can solve the we'll do the blue side in this case, because I don't really give a crap. Okay, so now we're gonna do the white side. So you gotta get to the yellow in the center, right there. Find that yellow, and you gotta get all the white pieces, crap like that, and put that. Pull that down. There's a white piece in the middle. Pull that there. Boom. Got one white piece that's supposed to make a cross there, and then the yellow piece is going to be in the middle. Okay? Alright. Okay. So after you're done that, you're going to find some more white pieces. Oh, look. A bunch of white pieces. And then you're going to go like, boom. Bang, you got those white pieces. That's cool, amazing, good job, konnichiwa. And then you're going to want to see those black back on the end. Boom. Go like this. Boom, you got a freaking thingamajiggy. Cross like that. And then what you want to do is just turn it to the top like this. Then spin it 180 degrees either way. And then do it the same side, boom, 80 degrees. The other side. And the other side. And look, you got a white cross now. Oh, good job. And then, see, you gotta cut corners like this. If you never saw the Rubik's Cube before, good job. This is a video for you. So bang, you just basically gotta cut corners. If you don't know how to cut corners, that sucks for you. Okay. So basically what you want to do, bang, got that. Now you got that, just cut corners. Bang. Got this now. Boom, right there. Then you gotta go like this. Well, if you know how to cut corners, then stop talking to me. See, you got blue on that side. Then oh shoot. Oh no, we're missing a color. Whoopity baba billy boop.
it and are a little old. but I don't think it has as much attention as it needs. Now, I was reading up about God's number. Now, this is the number that they gave to the Rubik's Cube, which is basically the lowest number of moves that it would take to put a Rubik's Cube back into its solved state from any given scramble, which is 20. It takes just 20 moves from any given scramble, or at most 20 moves, as the most efficient method.
Want to master video editing skills and make gorgeous YouTube videos like Zoella, PewDiePie, or...
Hey guys, sorry I haven't made a video in a while, but anyways, this video is going to be a little different. I'm going to show you guys how to solve the 3x3x3 Rubik's Cube. There's easier ways to do it, but this is still really easy. So, let's get started. This is the Rubik's Cube. It is a cube. It has 6 sides, like most cubes. It's important to know which colors are opposite prime. Okay, so the cube has now been scrambled and it's ready to begin solving. First thing you're going to put the bottom layer and then twist the 4 edges. The algorithm. It goes like this: R prime, 2D, R, D. And now it's on the right, where we can do this algorithm: R prime, D prime, R.
Sorry guys, I didn't see you there. That's awkward. What you want to do is you want to turn it this way and then turn it this way again. If you count to the number 3 and say Osama bin Laden dies, it'll work. Ready? Damn. Get that thing out of my face. I actually broke it. Don't do that. But anyway, yeah. If you like that video, then good job. Go ahead and like it down below. And if this is a waste of your time, don't comment on the video. Just be sure you watch this far. Bye bye.